In this project, you're going to learn how to design this really cool sign or award. The first thing we're going to do is learn how to design the base of the sign using Autodesk Inventor. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. What we're looking at here is our final product. All right, and to go ahead and make it, we're going to go ahead and do a Final, New, Standard.ipt create. Okay, and we're in inches. All right, so we're going to start a new sketch here on the XY plane, and we're going to grab our circle tool. Starting at our origin here, we're going to center here and make a 3-inch circle. All right, and we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch now and extrude it a distance of 0.75 inches. Okay. All right, now we're going to start a 2D sketch, and we're going to hollow out this portion here, and we're going to go ahead and project geometry here, and we're going to offset it a distance of 0.5. Enter. Okay. Go ahead and finish your sketch. And we're going to extrude and cut into this 9/16. We're going to go the other way, and we're going to cut 9/16 or 0.562. Same thing here. Okay. So hit OK. All right. And now we're going to come over here and we're going to start another sketch right here. And we're going to project geometry on this circle we just made. And we're going to offset that now 0.25 inches. All right, and we're going to finish sketch. And we're going to extrude this portion, not outward, but once again the other way, and we're going to cut just 0.1 inches here. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and make this feature here on the inside. And this feature is important because this is going to allow you to put your little LED light into the sign here. So it's kind of like a little housing of sorts. So we're going to just make a circle here right in the middle. And that circle is going to be 0.6 diameter. Enter. We're going to finish our sketch, and we're just going to extrude that circle out that we just made. 0.6, or excuse me, 0.3. Hit OK. Now let's come over to the top surface of our sign base here, and we're going to start a sketch right here on the top. Okay, and we need to create basically a little slot, okay, in the middle here for us to put our 1/8 thick acrylic sheet of plastic through here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a 2-point center, all right here in the middle, and we're just going to kind of move it out. Watch out for those hidden lines, okay, so don't touch them. All right, and hit escape, come up to our dimension tool here, click here, we're going to make that overall length 2, okay, inches. Hit enter. And our overall thickness, we want it to be, so we're going to have a 1/8 tool coming through here. So we want to make it just slightly thicker than our 1/8 tool. Remember, 1/8 is 0.125. So we're going to dimension this guy to be slightly bigger. Let's go with 0.126 here. Hit OK. Hit our green check here. And the last thing we need to do here is grab our circle tool. We need to make a little hole for our LED to fit in here. Okay, and we're going to make that 0.198 inches there. Okay, and now that that's there, we're going to go ahead and grab our trim tool and just kind of clean it up. So we're left with something like this. And you notice the lines all turn green, and that's okay because we just need to add in a few more constraints here. So from the center here, we're going to make it 0.076. Should be the same on both sides. Yep. We need to do now in this direction, 0.063, and we're almost there. Okay, we probably just need to go this one and that one. And nope, we already got that one. So let's see here. There we go. All right, now let's go ahead and finish our sketch. We're going to extrude this guy. We're going to cut and go the other way a distance of all here and hit OK. All right, and there is our award or sign base. So our acrylic plastic is going to slide right in here, and our LED light's going to be pushed right here in this little slot pocket sort of thing here. Okay, and that's it. If you want to, when you're done, if you want to come over here and just kind of give it some glossy black color, there you go. And since we're going to be milling these out of high density polyethylene, let's go ahead and assign it a material here. So right here, high density polyethylene. And then this is important for the CAM process. So the last thing we want to do here is come over to the bottom. Let's start a sketch down here. And what we're going to want to do now is do some sketches on here. And you'll see why we do this when we go to machine it here in the computer-aided machining portion of HSM. So put a sketch there, okay? And we're going to do a sketch, well, right there, okay? And then go ahead and finish your sketch. If you want to dimension it, go ahead, but that's good. Finish your sketch. And then we're going to do one more sketch, all right, on the top surface of this guy right here. And then once again, go ahead and finish sketch. So we have three circles, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and that's going to help us define the geometry when we mill the bottom of this out here and machine it out. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.